Hey, fifth grade, I wanted to add an extra video on regrouping. So last week I gave you a video on regrouping with subtracting, but I figured it would be good to go over regrouping with adding as well. So let's take a look at my whiteboard, and we are going to add 32, 58, and 17 together. Okay, so when we add, we start with the ones place value, or the smallest place value, I should say. In this case, it is the ones place value. So we're going to add 2 and 8 together, which is 10. And if I add 7 more, I will get 17. So in the number 17, my 7 is in the ones place value. So I'm going to put my 7 in the correct place value. But my tens, I need to carry over to my tens place value. So now I will add up 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I can put my 0 here. And since we have no other numbers to add, I can put my 100 right there. So our answer when adding all of these up is 107. Let's try one more. Let's go ahead and use a 3-digit number with decimals. So let's add 13 and 2/10 plus 4 and 9/10 and 12 and 7/10. Okay, so as I said, we always start with the smallest place value. In this case, it would be the tenths. So we're going to add up our tenths together. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 7 is 18. So my 8 and 18 goes in the tenths, because I have 18 tenths, which is 8 tenths plus 1 whole. That's why I'm putting my 1 over in the next place value. Okay, so now we can add up my ones place value. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8. 9, 10. Okay, well, I have 0 ones now, but I have 1 10. So that's why it's going over to the tens place value. And then I add up my tens, and I have 33 tens. And my answer is 30 and 8/10. Okay, I hope that clears up any misconceptions for regrouping with addition.